Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram with Sangram. Today we have a new job update from PWC company. And the job is a remote job update, so you can start your job from your home only. And here in the screen you can get the job description. It's a sales services job and the job location is Kolkata, but no need to worry about the location because it is providing you the remote job opportunity. So let's discuss about the job and I will provide you the job link in the description box so that you can also visit in this page and you can apply for this job. So here you can observe in the screen that the job is a full-time job and this job is under internal firm services. Okay. So here any graduate can apply for this role, but if you have knowledge on sales domain or if you have any content writing experience or content writing knowledge, that will be a plus for you. So here I will discuss about the job description and also I will help you to apply for this job. So let's discuss about it. Here the management level will be senior associate. Job description, they have mentioned that here you have to work in sales and marketing domain within internal firm services. So here if you have completed your MBA or BBA in sales or marketing, then it will be a plus for you. And also if you have done commerce or any graduate but after that you have completed any kind of management certification or marketing certification, that will be also applicable for you. Here below they have provided some points, so you can read the points. Here you can get what you have to do in your day-to-day roles and responsibilities. So these are very important for you before apply to this job. So here I am not reading these points because I will provide you this link in the description box so that you can read all the points, but make sure that you know all of the terms and all of the skills before apply to this job. Here role summary, I have mentioned business writer. Here business writer responsibilities are also there. So here two responsibilities you can get. One is senior associate. As a salesperson you have to do this following tasks, and as a business writer you have to do this following tasks. Okay, so here you have to check that your writing skill is up to the mark and you are comfortable with the content writing and business writing. Okay, so here preferred competencies, they have mentioned sales, marketing and communication and publishing house features or news editing experience. Education, they have mentioned bachelor's or master's degree in English and journalism. English and journalism they have mentioned because if you have those graduation degree, that will be a plus for you. Meanwhile any graduate can apply for this job, and editing experience is required. If you have you can apply for this job. Also if you are a fresher you can start your career with this job. So here if you are a fresher then you might get the business writing post, but if you have experience you will get the senior associate post in the sales domain. Okay, so that's all about the job update, and if you want to apply for this job you can apply in this page. You have to check the description area and from there you will find the link where you have to apply. You have to click on that link so that you can redirect it in this page, After that you need to click on the apply button. It will redirect you in the apply page. You just need to create one profile in PWC career portal, and after that you can fill up the form, attach your resume and apply for this job. If you have any doubt regarding this job, or if you are facing any problem, you can comment below in this video, or you can ping me on Instagram so that I can help you to resolve the issue within 24 hours. Okay, so after apply to this job, you need to wait for 10 to 15 days so that the HR team will review your profile, and if your profile got shortlisted, they will call you or mail you for the interview purposes. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.